This video is about how I created the look that I'm wearing right now with a very basic palette. This is Lakme 9 to 5 palette, and so I hope you like this video and let's get started. Hi guys, so just in case if you're someone new to this channel, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Priyanka and my channel's name is Prizzy and I make videos on fashion and lifestyle and makeup. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with Lakme 9 to 5 eyeshadow, and my focus will be eye makeup, and that is what I'm going to tell you how I created the look with using this basic palette. And my face is nicely prepped. I did apply a foundation and I'm going to directly jump to the eye makeup. So, and the brushes that I'm going to use are these. So I'm going to start with this basic color, lightish pinkish rose gold color. I'm going to take it on my brush and I am going to blend it, both the lids. I'm going to take this golden color and again I'm going to put it all over my lid. Give a very nice goldenish pinkish base. The shade that I'm going to choose is this one, and I'm going to put it on the corner, and it's going to come over my lid. I'm going to take this last color, this maroon one, the darkest one. I'm going to lightly dab it on the corner of my eyes. I'm going to I took a different brush. I wanted a thinner one so that I can blend it nicely on the corners. Again, I'm going to take this golden shade and put it over my lids so that this is the basic color that comes when I close my eyes. So girls, we are done. We are done with the eye makeup. This is the quickest eye makeup you can do if you're going out anywhere, even at the night time, daytime, and feel comfortable. I think this will be a little bit too much. Just if you are going out for Sunday and you want a very nice subtle eye makeup, and I'm going to take now good 5 to 10 minutes to blend everything so that it looks very natural. And let me tell you, blending is the key for good eye makeup. It's like never enough. You have to blend it very well. The next thing I'm going to do is apply a winged eyeliner. So I'm going to use this Lakme 9 to 5 liner. I will just apply and come back here because I need to go very close to the camera, and that is not very possible, so I'll just apply and come back. So I'm done with my eyeliner, and I did apply a liner on the lower lash line and I just smudged it. The next thing that I'm going to do is apply this mascara. So let me tell you, this is my current favorite mascara, and you know, it looks like applied falsies, but you haven't actually. So I'll just apply it and show you the change. And you know, moreover, this has like really small bristles, so it's very convenient to apply the same in the lower lash line. So can you see the difference in both the eyes? Like this one really looks like my eyelashes look really long, and it looks like I have applied a falsie. And finally I'm going to use this lash curler and curl my lashes. So ideally you should be curling your lashes first and then applying the mascara, but I go other way around and I feel that it works for me. You can choose any of the way you like it. And I'm finally done with my eye makeup. I'll proceed with my lipstick and blusher and everything, and I'll be back in a minute, so just watch. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you like this look, and do let me know how did you find it, and do let me know your favorite palette. I chose this palette because this is very much in budget, and this is easily available in the market, and so I hope you like this, and do let me know how did you find it. Do subscribe to my channel and do like the video. Thanks for watching.